Okay, I'm going to install Sovelia CAD Add-in. I've been given by Symmetry the Sovelia desktop. This is the latest version of the install, and I'm just going to double click on this to install it. I'm going to accept and go next. Okay, there's some options here now. It's going to install Sovelia Sync, and then it's given me an option of which version of the CAD add-in I would like to install. For Sovelia Inventor, I only get the option to install the Inventor, but for Sovelia Engineering and Sovelia PLM, it's picked up the fact I've got AutoCAD and Inventor. So it's the PLM version I want to work with, so I'm going to change that configuration, keep the standard location, and I'm going to go next. I've got to be an administrator to install it, and I'll say next to that. It'll now go and install the files for me, and it's going to want to launch Sovelia Sync. So if I look at Sovelia Sync now, it's not logged in. You'll be prompted if you try and run Inventor or AutoCAD to log in, but I'll log in now as a request just to see whether everything's working. I can see here that it's picked up a server that I previously have logged into. So I'm just going to put in my details. Yeah, logged in successfully, and I'll just click away from that. I can now run Inventor. So I'm going to run Inventor. Here's the icon at the bottom. Running Inventor. Takes a little bit of time to start up. So Inventor starting up. I don't want to load the vault at the moment. And we should see now at the top here, here's my Sovelia icon. And if I click, we get access to the toolbars. I can see the About button here, which will give me the version of the installer that I've just installed. Great, thanks very much.